Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Today we're back in the kitchen freestyle and it's all about some curry chicken, white rice, one of my favorite of all time. But before we go any further guys, I'm asking you guys to just hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement. So freestyle right here are the recipe for my curry chicken, and as you can see guys, I have my chicken already cut and clean, and as for my recipe guys, my natural season goes as follow: onion, bell pepper, otherwise known as sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic, carrot, Irish, and as for my spices I'll be using curry powder, of course, black pepper, all-purpose season, chicken season, and some season to the bone season, of course, you know what I mean. Now it's time for me to go ahead guys and season my chicken, leave it to marinate for probably like about an hour and a half, then I will start the cooking process. So just stay tuned guys. Freestyle, you know the vibe. First I will go ahead and add my spices guys. Right here I have some all-purpose season. Go ahead and sprinkle my all-purpose season. After my all-purpose, some season to the bone, a mixture of spices. Add some season to the bone to the chicken. Add some black pepper. And for my viewers who are not familiar with Jamaican culture, right, or should I say not familiar with Caribbean culture, you have never tried curry chicken before guys, you need to try it. It's a very delicious meal, very tasty meal, full of flavor. Right now guys, I'm having my curry. Cutting my onions, and guys, as something when I cook guys, I use a lot of onion. I love when my pot is full of flavor. So right here guys, I'm using one onion, one onion chopped, chicken. Right here I have some scallion. Also guys, you know the flavor you get from scallion is different kind of flavor. Here I'm getting my scallion chopped up. Put them in there. On the chicken right here I have some sweet pepper. And as you can see guys, I'm using 3 different color sweet pepper, because as for me, I love when my pot is colorful. So as for that, I make sure I always have at least 2 or 3 colors. Right here, the green sweet pepper, cutting them in pieces. And massage my chicken the right and proper way, so the season can be all over my chicken, well soaking my chicken. As you know, as I always say guys, it's all about the flavor, it's all about the taste. Now my chicken is now completely seasoned guys, as you can see for yourself. Nice and lovely, nice and colorful. Now I'm gonna leave my chicken to sit there guys and marinate the right and proper way. Then we're gonna start the cooking process of our curry chicken and white rice, my favorite, also should I say a Jamaican favorite. Now stick and stay guys. In the meantime, remember to like, share and comment if you haven't yet subscribed as yet. I'm asking you guys, please just hit that subscription button, help the channel to grow. You know the vibe. Freestyle. Now freestyle, it's time to cook, and as always, we want to burn some of our curry. Of course, it's time to get the ball rolling. Put my chicken in the pot. Spray out everything in the pot, guys. Then I'm gonna put my stove on mid-flame, cover it. We're not adding no water for the chicken. We make its own water. Cover the pot. Stay tuned, freestyle. We soon come. Now freestyle, let's check in to see what's going on with our curry chicken. And as you can see, guys, I still haven't added any water to my chicken. Now it's time for me to go ahead and add our Irish and our carrot. Add the Irish and the carrot and you stir. So guys, I'm not gonna cover the pot, and I'm gonna allow my Irish and my carrot to cook. Then after which our curry chicken should be completed by then. Stay tuned, freestyle, you know the vibes. Now freestyle, the time is now. Our curry chicken is now completed, guys, as you can see for yourself. And I must tell you, freestyle, up until now I still haven't added no water to this pot. It makes its own gravy, so you know the taste and the flavor is up 100%. Look at that. Nice and lovely, nice and delicious, freestyle. And of course over here we have some white rice to go with it. White rice, curry chicken, or rain, freestyle way, guys, and it doesn't get any better than this. Nice and lovely, nice and delicious my curry chicken is. And as you can see, guys, it survives. Curry chicken by yours truly, Rain Freestyle. Guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, just hit that subscription button. Join the movement. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Our freestyle dinner is now served, as you can see, guys, and here you have it. White rice and curry chicken by yours truly, Rain Freestyle. And guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Nice and delicious, nice and colorful. I'm about to dig into this now, guys, so just remember, guys, like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, just hit that subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. No freestyle, taste it is to believe. And nice and delicious, nice and tasty, it survives. Until next time, freestyle. Catch you in the next one. Remember, guys, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.